What if Tibia had a son? Once upon a time, a girl named Sheshie, who looks weird, lives a lonely life. She has no friend because of her physical appearance, that she's different. So she visited an almighty witch that could grant her a wish. She asked if she could give her happiness and 4 loyal friends. So the witch sent her on a mission to kill 5 different harmless species. And so her mission starts. Daniel, zoom! She ran fast. Zoom, zoom. Fast, fast. Run, Daniel. Run, Sheshie, run. She need first to find a dog. She needed to kill those harmless animals in order to succeed the mission. She's looking for a harmless dog so she could kill. She's looking all over thighs for it. She needed to kill it. There, she found it. Woof woof, says the harmless dog. Boom, zoom, it's dead. Now she needed the sheep and the pig and the chicken. Oh, she found a pig. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, but it's already dead. Oh, I think that's still covered. Now she needs to find the sheep. And there goes the sheep. Meh, 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 meh. She kills him. And then here comes the chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Boom! It's dead. Yeah, she was the one that kills the pig. The witch must know it. There it goes on the quest log of Sheshie. There, the pig meat. So that's enough. Run to find the cat. She needed to find the cat. Run, Sheshie, run. Your time is almost up. Yes. Run to look for the cat. And that's the final one. Tiny whore. Where's the cat? Oh my god, where's the cat? The time is running out. Where's the cat? She's screaming. There, she found it. Meow, meow, meow. Boom! Dead. Now, to claim her reward as what the witch promised. There, she find a cute little demon babies. Oh. Aga, aga. Gaga, gaga. Gee, 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 gee. Okay, 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 okay. And now, Sheshie lives happily ever after. Thank you. This is a great event.